Welcome to the Kookaloo Gallery and the home of contemporary African Canadian art. My name is Lloyd Pollard. I'm a visual artist.
Lloyd, how do you classify your particular style of art?
Well, I'm in the process of really trying to define it myself. I'm just beginning to explore some of the various avenues that are coming through me. At this point, I would have to say it has an abstract, geometric, symbolic edge to it, but it's changing. So I guess I'll leave it for somebody else to categorize fully.
Well, what are your inspirations?
My inspiration is surrounded by reclamation of the individual self. Reclamation, for me personally, it's reclamation of my African ancestry. That is what initiated the creation of creations that you see on the canvas. I've done a lot of reading, a lot of studying, a lot of thinking about my history, if you will, where I'm coming from as a person. And the work itself serves to solidify my identity as an African Canadian male artist. In creating my work, what I hope people will get from it is ability to identify with the work, to be able to place their experiences within the work. There are certain themes that I focus on very clearly. One is the respect for elders, those that have gone before us. The information that they provide us with is very important. So in my pieces, I speak about elders and ancestors who surround us in our daily lives, who we should reach out to. I speak on the theme of mind, body, and spirit balance, which is very important to us in surviving in this present day when you're considered, in some instances, you can be considered to be a minority. There is an issue of identity and self-esteem. And through my work, I'm trying to solidify my own, in addition to other individuals, whether from the Black community or outside of the community. I'm trying to help them solidify their sense of self, that they're a spiritual being, they're an individual person. And the artwork speaks to that. And there are many different themes that I have